The application controller pattern is the next topic that I want to talk a little bit about. So it's fairly commonly used, especially with larger applications where you have to manage a bunch of different views. So that's fairly common in larger applications. The real benefit of this technology is that it allows you to reuse, to create more extensibility within your application, and to create a more manageable and modular application. So those are really some key non-functional aspects of a program that you always want to keep in mind: reusability, extensibility, maintainability as a part of your application. And application controller pattern allows you to do that in a fairly simple way. I've provided here a couple of good references to this technology. The first time that I saw this particular pattern was in the Core J2EE Patterns book. It was a really commonly used book about 10 or 15 years ago, but the pattern still applies today. It's used really commonly with a couple other patterns, of which the front-end controller or front controller is one of them. I also have included a reference here to the text for our class. Within this GitHub repository, you'll see that there is a class diagram, a sequence diagram, and at least one program, one program with several Java files that illustrate this particular pattern. Take a look at applicationcontroller.java that's written by Brother Barney to show you a little bit more about how to use this pattern. So to get to basic, I want you to create a pretty simple program, but I'm really looking for a program that implements the pattern very precisely. As a part of that pattern, you're going to see, if you look in applicationcontroller.java, that there's a hash map that is used as a handler to manage the views as a part of the controller. I really want to see that hash map as a part of this. I hope that gives you some direction when you're putting together your basic program for application controller pattern.